Whoa. It's literally fucking. Shut up, Joe. What the fuck? Yo. Yeah, so it snowed for us on Valentine's Day because I wasn't recording. And yeah, that's where we are. It's all melting. We're in San Antonio, Texas, so that don't happen here. But I'm getting some pictures. Don't. Damn, you get people coming and you don't know how to act.
Hey, I'm 11. My gloves.
The things you do for pictures.
There's a dry rock right there. I mean, with the snow around it still.
So yeah, we are.
Satisfying. Come on. Put this on the satisfying video.
No!
You don't?
No, I don't want you to sweep my car.
Why?
Okay, go ahead. Wait, don't throw it like that. Just slide it off.
Yeah.
It's a good sunblock.
All right, get off my car. That's it. So right here, I'm not gonna step all the way out, but with the power outages, both of my neighbors have food out on their patio, and I'm pretty sure my other neighbors do as well. Y'all can see my breath. But I was gonna show y'all last night how like everything was off. It was like completely black outside. But I fell asleep before I can get up. But yeah, they both have food on their balcony to keep the food fresh. This is day 4, I believe. The snow is still beautiful. Yeah, I'm gonna go back in. So I came out smoking. lights just went back out. We've been getting 6 hours with and 6 hours without. And it just went off until 5 a.m. It's 9 o'clock. But as y'all can see, you can't see anything. You can just hear everything, which is kind of eerie. But yeah, nothing's on except for people that got lights here and there. But I'm gonna go back in. So for us, this is day 3 with sharing electricity. Say hi to YouTube.
Hey.
Okay, update. And this is the only time y'all gonna see my place really like this tacky and everything else, because I have not cleaned up since this catastrophe. Because why? Like, me and my city, we going through my state and some surrounding states. So anyway, here's the update. This time they gave us an hour with no outage, which was not the cycle before. So hopefully that's good news, and meaning the shorter the outage is now, that means the closer we are to just having our shit, because it's shit that we paid for. Right, so anyway, I want to show the outside. Everyone's lights are on. Snow's melting, but it's supposed to snow again tomorrow from noon to 5. So that'll be fun. Another photo op, I guess. But yeah, that's just an update, y'all. I'm not gonna make these little diaries long at all, because I just don't want to do it. But yeah, thank you guys for all the prayers that I've already been receiving. That's our update. Checking in at 10, I think 45, and I'll be back for the next update. So this is happening. It is noon. We're getting snow again, so that's a thing. Today is Thursday. This is where we are.
It's all peaceful.
Correction, it is 9 a.m., almost 10 a.m. Not noon. I was thinking it was noon, I don't know why, but yeah. Okay, I'm making spaghetti. Boiling ice for the spaghetti. Water, and that's how we're doing it. Okay, so what I ended up doing, the ice melted. I put the noodles in there. I was trying to figure out how can I make my sauce just as fast. So I put the sauce with the meat, and I shared some water and put it in here so it can stretch. So yeah, that's where we're at, you guys. I believe I'm going to make it. I believe that it's on for sure now. It's just that we don't know. So that's why everyone's kind of like, oh, let me rush and use some type of, see, like, I haven't even set mine in anything in here. I haven't set yet, but yeah, that's just where we are. I'll come back and talk as I wrap this up. So I am officially finished. I just mixed it so it can stretch. And we do have some sides. We had pizza the first night this happened, but we have some sides, and we have our spaghetti. So success. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Truly, truly. Right, so here we are, y'all. This be cooking at its finest. I'm about to taste it. Oh. Once it's full, you can take it up and then you can come back down. Is that full?
Yeah.
A T-bone steak, cheese, eggs, and roaches. Great conversate for a few. Cause in our field we don't do what we came to do. Ain't that right, boo? Forget the telly, we just go to the crib and watch a movie in the I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby. Baby, how you living, Biggie Smalls? Imagine and beats is giving hands to my friends and it feels stupendous.
So we just went outside and got some snow to melt just for toilet purposes and maybe to like wash our fingertips, or I don't know, but we're not gonna consume this. Shit's still dirty, but Lamar has to use the restroom not to put his business out there, so I'm going to melt this really fast on my slow heat. We did just go to the snow. I don't think I filmed that, but we'll go again so you guys can just see. Yeah, but that's where we are right now. I'm going to try to clean as much as I can. Quick look, and yeah, getting ready to melt some snow. Okay, now we have it. Our snow, and that's from the snow. It's the snow water. So we can now flush the toilet. Survival. I literally have to excuse my hair. So pretty. Show everyone what I did to stay occupied throughout all of that. 1 second. Other than my normal scripting and everything like that, I'm making this fast. I drew the earth in Texas here with our icicles dripping and a sad face and ha ha ha, because you know the world kind of laughed at us. It wasn't the weather, it was the situation, and no one was understanding that, so we were kind of sad. Guess what? We are Texas strong, and we did that thing. We helped each other and we made it through. When I signed it, I put finish because we're okay, meaning I'm not going to finish this because we're okay. But yeah, so what I was doing during that is drawing and journaling. I don't know if I wrote in here specifically. I know I drew. So here's energy. I'm sorry, I'm going really fast, y'all, because I really don't want this video to be on energy. There is brave here. There's Pashi, my favorite. Yes, can we get into Pashi? Yes. Okay. We have different, which is also me. I'm very different. I'm a music lover. We have King, who is also me. I am a Leo, so I feel like my masculine energy is right. Okay, so this is a day it actually snowed. Here's protection for the obvious reason. Here is the snowstorm. Now I didn't finish her. She was cold to us. This is what I drew when I started getting frustrated with our situation. She's not finished, but you get the gist of her. She's ugly, she's mean, she's but she's right next to protection, so we were okay. Okay, and yeah, that's on the 16th I drew that. I mean, I wrote when I was like, thank you God for storage. So the 16th was No, I was manifesting it. We still didn't have power yet, but I was manifesting to get the power. And the 17th, here we are here. I'm going fast. I kind of don't want y'all to read it. But in the 20th, there we are. So I wanted to say and close out here showing what I wrote, because I simply want to say, oh yeah, sorry guys, real quick. I was keeping note of when I was trying to, because they also wasn't giving us a schedule, bro. Like, that was another thing that was frustrating us. We did not know when our power was going to be off, how long it was going to be off, when it was going to come back on. We didn't know. We didn't have a schedule. So what I did, I started like, because we didn't get affected right away over here. We didn't lose power until like Wednesday, the 3rd day. A lot of people had already had like no power for 2 days. So I started writing the timing that I noticed, and the pattern that it was they was giving us 6 hours with and 6 hours without. And then when it became to where we're gonna be fully stored, it became 1 short hour off and like 12 hours on. And that's when I noticed, see, Wednesday was like when ours was restored, because I didn't write anymore after this. So I wanted to say that, you know, a lot of people are affected, and thank you for your prayers. We're Texas strong. We're okay. And prayers to those people that have to deal with even worse situations like busted pipes and leakage and house fires. Prayers to those people. And I'm so grateful and thankful that we did not have to just fully be just horribly off. But I want to thank everyone for your support. And yeah, that is our story. And that is what happened here in Texas. 2021 for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Good night.